guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's look, I created this pinky red smoky eye using the Lime Crime Venus palette, which I love it. It's so bomb. My first time using it. You definitely need it if you don't have it. I think this look is perfect for Valentine's Day if you want to be super extra. If not, then I wouldn't go with this kind of look. But if you do want to be extra, this is where it's at, you know? This is totally Valentine's Day. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, then please just keep on watching. For this look, I am going in with the Lime Crime Venus palette. This is my first time using it. This is what the palette looks like. Super pretty, my kind of tones. I'm just going to start by priming my lid using my Tarte Shape Tape. Nothing new here. I'm going to be taking this shade first, and this is going to be our transition color. I'm just picking that up on a small brush and just putting that in the crease. It's okay if it looks like this because we are going to be blending it out. Don't worry. Right now we're just placing down the color. Then taking a fluffy blending brush, I'm just going to start blending out the edges. I'm blending this out with no additional product on my brush, but if you feel the need to pick up more product as you blend, you can go ahead and do so. Now with my fluffy blending brush, I'm just picking up more of that color. The next shade I'm going in with is this reddish burgundy shade right here called Muse, and this is going to deepen up our crease. Placing this color in my crease but keeping it lower than the transition shade because we still want that transition color to peek through. I want this color to be super intense, so I'm going to really build it up. Going back in with that same fluffy brush we used for the crease color, I'm just going to start blending out the edges. I will say that these eyeshadows are pretty powdery, you can tell, but it is what it is, but that is just something to point out. So now that I have that red shade all blown out, I'm going to go in with the color Iconic, which is this pretty brown shade. And we are going to use this color to darken up the look a little bit. I'm just picking this up on a small detailed brush, and I'm going to place this on the outer corner. So you might not feel like this color makes that much of a difference, but personally I feel like it's necessary. I feel like I always need a darker shade for the outer corner. So of course I'm going to go in and cut my crease, and I'm using my trusty Tarte Shape Tape and a concealer brush. I'm going in with the NYX glitter glue to act as a base for our lid color because I just prefer glitter glue. I feel like the color sticks better and it just shows up better, so that is why I've been using a glitter glue lately. For my lid color, I'm going in with this shade called Shell, which is a super pretty peachy color. That is going to go where we cut our crease. So I'm going back in with that red shade on the same brush we used for our crease, and I'm just going to put that right where that peachy color ends. And just pile that on top. Going back in with that brown shade called Icon, I'm just going to put that on the outer corner again, and then just blends it where that red shade ends. Now that we have our eyeshadow done, I am going to go pop on some wing liner. I'm going to do this off camera. I did just post a video on how to do wing liner, so I will link that down below if you want to check it out. So I will be right back. I did all my face makeup off camera because it is super repetitive, and I do have a full coverage foundation routine video on my channel already, so I will leave that link down below. So let's finish off the eyes. Now we're going to go ahead and finish off the eyes, and I'm going to take this NYX matte white eyeliner, and I'm going to track my black eyeliner with this one. To highlight my brow bone, I am going to go in with this white shade right here. You can use any white shade. I believe this one is from Morphe, but they all do the same thing, so I'm just going to put that underneath the brow bone. I love what a matte highlight under the brow bone does for the look. It's just my favorite. Inner corner highlight, I am going to go in with a pigment, and I'm going to use the NYX pigment in Vegas Baby. No, I lied. Nope, yep, it is Vegas Baby. To start off my lower lash line, I'm going to take this brown shade right here, and I'm going to put this as close to my lashes as possible. Taking this red color, I'm just going to buff out that brown shadow. So I'm going to take the white liquid liner and I'm just going to go underneath my wing. To finish off the eyes, I just put some brown liner on the waterline and popped on some lower lash mascara. Now moving on to highlight, I am going to go in with Laura Geller Peach Glow. This is the best highlighter ever, you guys. It's the bomb. I'm gonna line my lips using 951 lip liner. I don't know if I said it, but this is 951 lip liner by Colourpop and eyeliner. Now I'm gonna go in with Milkshake by ABH. I'm going to top this lip off with some gloss. I'm going to use the Atolé lip gloss by Anastasia and Colourpop. It is a super pretty pinky metallic shift lip gloss. I've never worn it, so let's test it out. Ooh, it is nice. Ooh, this is bomb. It feels so thick. Oh my gosh. Oh girl. And this is the completed look. I am obsessed with it, honestly. I'm living for it. I'm living for this lip color. If you don't have this lip gloss, you need to go get it. I really hope you enjoy this look as much as I do. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoy, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next one.